back with another video. And today I will be showing you 3 easy yet sexy ways to style a little black dress. Yes, ma'am. So if you're anything like me, then you understand and you already know that it's a must-have to have a little black dress in your wardrobe. Period, point blank. You feel me? Because you can't go nowhere, step out unless you have that. That's like a key essential. So I'm going to show you my spin on the styling the little black dress. And you know, you can take a couple pointers from it. But make sure that you like, subscribe, and turn that post notification bell on. And just enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and turn your notification bell on, okay? Show the channel some love. Don't worry. I'll wait. It's your Queen Jazz, and I'm back with another video. And today I'm going to be showing you 3 easy yet sexy ways to style your black dress.